How to fix the black or gray screen sharing issue. Now the first thing you want to do is you actually just want to go to the Chrome settings. You just type in Chrome settings in the search bar and it will be this one right here. Now once you click on it, you'll be brought to the Chrome settings like so. Once you've done that, all you need to do is you type in acceleration in the search bar like here. And as you can see, we have an option that is called use graphics acceleration when available. We just want to toggle this switch off, and when we toggle it off, we actually want to relaunch the page. And once we actually relaunch their page, this should fix the issue. However, if that did not work specifically streaming on Discord, you just want to open up the Discord app, where from here what you need to do is you click on the settings, user settings on the Discord app or website, and you actually just want to go down, scroll down to the option that's called voice and video. Now once you click that, again we do want to scroll down a little bit further and actually find the option that is called Open H.264 Video Codec provided by Cisco System Inc. And you want to turn that off so you completely quit and restart the app. It should work flawlessly once again. And finally, if that does not work, I recommend just uninstalling Discord and just relaunching it again, and this should fix the screen sharing issue.